Okay, students, welcome to class on Friday. First of all, you should have a quiz on your desk. If you do not, please pause the video and get a quiz from Mr. Harmon or whoever the supervising teacher is. Number two, your desk should be cleared. So we are starting the quiz now, so go ahead and pause the video. If you've not done that, get out your blank sheets of paper, your calculators, your pencils. You will not need your book for this quiz like the last quiz you did. This quiz you will not need your book, so all you need is maybe some blank pieces of paper to show your work on, and this quiz itself, and your calculator and your pencil. Okay, and here we go. First of all, I forgot to mention this in the first quiz. I'm not going to forget this time. Right here at the top of the quiz, do you see my pen? Put bonus points and go ahead and put how many you have. Now please listen to me carefully, especially you, Martin, because you're new to me. You can only put up to 5 bonus points. And listen, students, whatever you have in your account, go ahead and zero that out now down to 0. Okay, that's just how we do it. You don't get to carry bonus points over. I forgot to mention that the last quiz, but if you have 5 or more, put 5 on your quiz. So do that now, and then empty out your account. Okay, take it down to 0. All right. Let's see. There'll be, when you're done with the quiz, you're going to watch a video. Turn your quiz in and watch a video. It's Geometry 2.4. There'll be no homework over the weekend. We'll do the homework on Monday. I'm trying to go a little easier on you guys, and we're doing very well, and so we can afford to do that. You'll have a test next Friday. Now, fill in for numbers 1 through 9, fill in the blanks with the appropriate words. So read these, be careful, fill in the correct words, numbers 1 through 9. Please look at number 10. B is the midpoint of AC. What is the measure of segments AC and CB? Now, what I meant to say there, if you'll take your pen and change this AC, please, that's supposed to be an AB. So change that, and that's why we go over the quiz. I want to know what the segments of AB and BC are. Okay, and I did put AB here. I just didn't put it up here. So, do you see this 10 right here? This 10 refers to the length of the entire segment. So this whole segment is 10, and B is in the middle. All right. Now, B is the midpoint of AC. What is the measure of segments BC and AC? Now, do you see this 6 right here? This 6 only goes for segment AB. Segment AB. Okay? So, from that information, go ahead and tell me the length of BC and tell me the length of AC. I really don't think this quiz is that hard, students. Okay, B is the midpoint of AC. That means this segment here is congruent or equal to this segment here. I want you to write an algebraic equation and solve for x. Solve for x. All right, number 13. We really didn't cover this a whole lot, and so this might not be a very fair question. I'll keep that in mind when I grade your quiz. But because I didn't really cover this super, I'm going to go ahead and give the midpoint formula. The midpoint formula is x plus x divided by 2, comma, y plus y divided by 2. You see, when I ask you to find the midpoint between these 2 points, your answer is going to be an ordered pair with a comma right here. And you'll have a number right here and a number right here. So that's how this formula works. That's why there's a comma right here. So you should know you have an x and a y and an x and a y. I'm saying a little more than usual because we really didn't cover this very well in class or in your homework, and I'll take that into consideration when I grade your quiz. But I want you to find the midpoint between those 2 points using this formula, x plus x over 2, y plus y over 2, and for the 3rd or 4th time, I will be very fair when I grade this. Maybe I'll just count it for a bonus problem. We'll see how everybody does. All right, number 14. Ray BD, here's ray BD, right here in the middle, there's ray BD, is an angle bisector of ABC. If angle ABD, right here guys, angle ABD is 40 degrees, what is the measure of the whole angle ABC? All right, moving on to number 15. BD is your angle bisector. Angle ABC is 100. That's the whole angle. So the whole angle is 100. What is the measure of this little angle right here? ABD. All right. And then moving on, angles A and B are complementary. If A is 43, what is the measure of angle B? Number 17, angles A and B are supplementary. If angle A is 43, what is the measure of angle B? And that's it. If you don't do well, or if you do well, whatever, I didn't think the quiz is too difficult, but I hope you do well. Take the quiz, go ahead and turn the video off, take the quiz. When you're done, watch your next video, which is Geometry 2.4, and you'll take some really good notes. There'll be no homework over the weekend, so enjoy your weekend off. We'll do the homework Monday in class, and then we'll have a new lesson on Tuesday, a new lesson on Wednesday. We will review for the test on Thursday, and we'll take the test on Friday.